War is my master, death my mistress. Morgan Ra, the Harvester of Souls, is the founder and Phoenix Lord of the Elders Dark Reaper Aspect Warriors. Altanzar was one of the many craft worlds large and small that survived the fall of the Eldar, following the birth of the Chaos God Slanesh. It rode out the initial psychic shockwave that destroyed the Eldar realms, but was subsequently caught in the gravity well of the Eye of Terror. Although the Eldar of Altanzar fought valiantly against the encroachment of Chaos, they were unable to escape their inevitable doom. Within 500 Terran years of the fall of their craft world was swallowed whole into the warp. The only soul that escaped the clutches of this rolling warp storm was the Phoenix Lord known as Morgan Ra, the Harvester of Souls, the mightiest of Altanzar's exarchs and founder of the warrior aspect of the Dark Reapers. When Asurman first taught his brethren the arts of war and trained the first Phoenix Lords in the day immediately after the fall, it was Morgan Ra that fell furthest from the fold. He fashioned baroque weapons of occult nature, not the blades of his brethren but dark and malefic artifacts that could slay his foes from afar. As his craft progressed, Morgan Ra learned that even the mightiest weapon could be wielded with surgical precision. The discovery and his mastery of each of the diverse facets of ranged combat led to the creation of the deadly Morgan Tar, loosely translated as the Harvester, a potent shuriken cannon fitted with an inbuilt executioner power weapon, and later to the disciples of the Dark Reaper aspect itself. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.